Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp and this is another practice video because we have to get ourselves familiarized with writing programs because you probably have to do this every day because that is how you will learn all this. Programming, like any other skill, is going to be about practice. If you don't practice, you won't be able to write a proper program. It's a muscle. If you do it every day, it will grow stronger. So this video, we are going to write a program to find the sum of n natural numbers, which means that if the n, which is the number given by user, is 10, so we will do 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5, and we will go on until 0. And anything less than 0 is not a natural number. So let's go ahead and take the number from the user. So it would be input, enter a number. When this number, if number is less than 0, we have to make this as integer. We will skip the try catch. We will just assume the user is going to put numbers. So if number is less than 0, print please enter a positive number, and we will exit the program right away. So import sys and we will use sys.exit. So I'm going to exit the program right away. So if it goes into the if loop, it is going to end the program here. If it does not go into the if loop, what we have to do is go backwards. So suppose the user puts 5. So we have to go from 5 to 0, which means that if I do for I in range n, let's do 0 to n, print I, this one is going forward. So this one will go from 0. So suppose if we put 5, this will go from 0 to 5. What we need to do is go backwards. We need to reverse this. We can do it with for loop, but let's use the while loop. So while number is not equal to 0, while number is not equal to 0, what I will do is sum. So let's create a sum variable which will hold the sum of the number. Sum is equal to sum plus number. So if it is 5, it is going to add 0 plus 5. So the sum will be 5. Now sum is 5 and we need to add 4. How will we get the fourth number? We will have to go backwards, like I said. So after 5, we have to go one step back. So I will do number is equal to number minus 1. So if it's 5, it would become 4. So it will add 5 plus 4. Then it would become 3. Then it would add 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 is 9. So it would add 9 plus 3. And then it would go ahead doing the same thing until the number is 0. So let's try this right now. Let's see how it works. So enter number 5 and we did not print the sum. So print final sum is, and I will use the F sum. So let's print this out again. 5 and final sum is 15. Now let me bring up calculator and we'll do 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So it's 15. You can go back to 0. It's still going to be the same. So let's go for a higher number and we will this time do 12 and the final sum is 78. So let's clear this. So 12 plus 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So that's 78. So that is how you will write a program that will calculate the sum of natural numbers. And if this logic is difficult to understand, let me break it down. So here, let's assume number is equal to 5 and sum is equal to 0. So in the first step, what we are doing is 5 plus 0, and this is going into the value of sum. So sum is going to be 5. Then the next value is num is equal to num minus 1. So is num, which is now 4, is that equal to 0? No. So it is not equal to 0. So this will continue. So this sum, which is now 5, it will add the number which is 4 is equal to 9. So now the sum value is 9. So let's do 9 and we decrease the number again. So it's 3. Now is 3 equal to 0? No. So it will add to the sum. So it would be 9 plus 3 is equal to sum, which will be 12. Then this will become 2. This would be 12 plus 2 is equal to sum, which should be 14. And then we will do one more. So it would be 1, and 14 plus 1 is 15. And then the sum, the number which was 1, now 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and that will break this loop. And that is how you will come out of the loop and you will print the final sum, which is going to be 15. So that is how you go backwards using the while loop. So I hope you enjoyed this program and I will see you guys in the next one.